Hello, welcome back to my Carolina Outdoors. In the last video, see? In the last video, you saw Shannon catch a big monster cat. That thing was, we're still talking about that cat. Man, that thing, up. We're going to start the video out.
There we go.
Catching one.
There we go.
How's that?
There we go.
Yeah, that's a good way to start the video.
Yes, sir.
But we'd like to welcome you back to my Carolina Outdoors. Yeah. Pond again, and we're catching some fish. They're awesome. They're being flaky. They a little bit I'm catching them on worms, and then all of a sudden they quit biting on the worms and they start biting on the crickets. And
they bipolar fish, ain't they?
They are bipolar. And so anyway, we start the video out with me catching the fish. That's good.
There we go. Hello everybody. Yes, good introduction there by Mr. Charles there, man, my buddy. Yeah, nice catfish you seen there on that last video. We out here doing I'm still using my double rig, but we're gonna be using crickets and worms again. And this is pretty much a catch-all kind of everything: bass, brim, crappie, whatever, catfish. It'll catch it all. So that's what we're on today here, and we appreciate you. And there's a breeze at the water right there. So we on here under the shade tree today, and we're gonna get out here and do some fishing for y'all. Kind of show you Charlie over there. He's over there, up under the shade. Feels good, air conditioning's on, so we need that in our life. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna go fishing. All right, y'all. We're gonna get this on out here. And got me a double rig today, fishing double rig. See what we can do out here today for y'all. Little nice little breeze coming through, guys. Nice. All right, guys. So we just fishing here along the bank. Charlie's out a little bit. He's back. Well, he's back on the bank now. But them brim are biting right up on the edge too, as well.
I can see them.
Yeah. And polarized glasses. Yeah, you sure can. Look at that right there. Let's throw this thing over here. See if we can entice that fish to bite over here. Let me switch this over here. Old bass old brim just came up and hit the top of the water. Like that old fish bite. Now he's on the bank over here. Right there is where they are. They're on there. Chasing them fish everywhere. Oh, there we go. We got him. We got him. I seen you where you was, buddy. And look, I seen you where you was.
What is that, cat?
No, it's a bass.
Is it? I couldn't see. I couldn't tell from here.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job, buddy. Look at you go.
All right.
We'll just go home.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. I'm loving it, buddy. You keep bringing them in.
All right, guys. So we caught a bass on that one.
It's awesome, buddy.
Worms and crickets today.
You keep doing your thing over there.
right, guys, we're just letting y'all enjoy some of the nature. Some ducks and stuff over there. Nice bass, though. There's a nice bass. And y'all enjoy some of the nature. Sometimes I'll be quiet and let y'all just hear nature. Move over here to the left side here, throwing it left, see what we can do over here. Old brim just bit over here. Might want them crickets. Stay over there, Mr. Ducks. I'm gonna drop my cork down, guys, because them fish are biting on the top. I'm gonna make it a little bit more shallow. See if that'll help the fish bite here. Well, they are feeding, the wind is blowing all sorts of stuff in the water, so these fish are just biting like crazy on top, toward the top of the water. So I did move the bobber. That's one good thing about a bobber. You can go your depth. Slip bobber as well. You can go, you know, wherever depth that you want. But they are biting toward the top, so I did raise them up just a little bit. Let's see. And them bass are just, they're out there feeding too as well. I can see them. We can pop that out there and bring it back. But yeah, they're feeding on top over here. Let me see if I can bring that. They're just cruising along too. I see them. You can see them just cruising along. There we go. There we go. I seen him. I knew you was coming. Yes, sir. I seen you over there biting. There we go, guys. There we go. Yeah, they're just cruising the top, Charlie.
Yeah.
I moved the cork up a little bit. And there we go. Got us another one here. Yeah, calm down, calm down.
Buddy.
Calm down. Thank you, Charlie. All right, so we got another one here. Little brim. So that will catch it. That will catch them as well. All right. Let's get out there and get another one. All right, trying to get the bait on here. Back on. All right, there we go. Yeah, them brim are not far out at all, as you can see when I'm casting. Plus them ducks are stirring up food and stuff, and brim will stay behind them ducks and actually feed on the stuff behind them as well. So yeah, he got me, got my worm. All right. Oh yeah, I felt you, brim. You let go. I pulled it too much. Yep, come on. Ah, I missed you. It's all right, we're gonna get you. We'll get you right here. Yes, sir. Ooh, come on. Scratching my eye. Come on. Well, you a little one to be biting. You are a little one. It's right out there in front of you, Charlie.
I saw that. That's where I'm going.
Yes, sir. Come on, come on. Ah, yeah, you gotta snag them jokers quick.
Fish is very shallow.
Yeah. Yeah, they biting on top. That's why I switched it. Make it a little bit more shallow. They ain't as deep. They didn't came up a little bit. But worms and crickets, you can't beat it with this cork too rig.
Ranch dressing, you got a meal.
A little ranch dressing, Charlie?
Yeah, you got a meal now.
Yes, sir. With a glass of tea?
Y'all, sweet tea.
Yes, sir. I'll take a gallon.
Absolutely.
The little old Bram just tapping that thing. He just messing. You see what we do over here? A little bit bigger Bram over here to the left. Let's see what we can do. I'll bring this thing over here this way a little bit shallow. And let's see what we can do there. Let's move it over here. Make them, entice them to bite right there. You come up pretty shallow, and they might not. Because they're coming from the deep to the shallow feeding, so probably need to go a little bit out deeper. That's what we need to do. Right there. Now you see that set up there. We've got a bobber. Of course you can move it to your depth. Got another hook, it's messed up. I fixed it there for you. And then you slide it on up. You got another worm. Let me stop there. There you go. There, Charlie just got him one. Show him what you got, Charlie. Good job. That was shallow, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right, good job, bud.
Hey.
Charlie just got him another one. So that's the setup here. Catch all sorts of panfish, bass, crappie, catfish, whatever. It's there. It's the setup. Nice, cool, beautiful day to fish. And we know these fish are stocked with brim, but I didn't know they had catfish that big in here. We know it's got at least one big bass in here that I know of. Charlie caught that last year. There we go. There we go, you little dude. I got you that time, didn't I? Yes, sir. I got you that time. You weren't getting away that time, buddy. Little old thing, but hey, it's a fish. Thank you. Hung up. Let me move this over here a little bit. So y'all can see what we got there. Let y'all see my buddy a little bit there, fishing. He's fishing over on that bank. Oh, we just got one right when I turned the camera, but it's okay. We'll turn it back. We'll turn it back. There you go. There you go. Nice another little brim. Oh, old fish just jumped up right there. Okay, we got us another one. A little bit bigger, but not too big. There you go. Get it back on out there and catch us another one. Unless you don't drink out of that bottle that you got to have a passcode no more.
No, I only use it when I'm going to be out for a while.
Right, so nobody else will get none from you.
That's right. Nobody else can. It's a secret. Secret code.
I said, Charlie, what I'm about to have a heat stroke. What is the code to this water bottle, man? I think he did everything but jump on one leg to open that thing.
It's a secret.
Boy, this pond is slap full of brim, man. I mean, that's why them catfish are so big. There we go. There's another one. There we go. Little one. That's why them catfish and bass are so big. They got plenty of food here.
Oh, yeah.
You know, sunfish are very inquisitive too. There's been times I fished before and they'd bite a bare hook, ain't you?
Oh, yeah.
So they're inquisitive. The fish are. All right. Get it back out here in a minute, y'all. Using this same little piece here. Another old brim just sitting right up here at the bank. Let's see if we can catch that guy right here. Let's see if we can catch him. He's laying right here at this bank in front of me. I'll reel him toward me, but he's right here. But yeah, we released that catfish, that big catfish. That way it can get bigger and somebody else can catch it another time, and it keeps the pond clean. And that might have been the fish that pulled Charlie's rod in the water, because it was big enough too, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
And you remember, I don't know, about a month and a half ago, you was over on this left side on that bank, and something took off with yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, them fish don't. Oh, well, I think I pulled a Charlie here. All right. Charlie out here, we got caught up in the tree up there. So I caught the Charlie syndrome for a minute,
Well, yeah.
but we got rid of it with Charlie. He's got two bobbers out there. He's out there a little bit deeper. I'm shallow where I've been catching them. A little bit more shallow than I've been. But I'll move that thing along. I don't keep it still long. See something coming on and hit it. All right, guys, so I moved my cork up a little bit deeper. Quit biting the shallow. And nice old bass just jumped over there. So we're out a little bit deeper today. I mean, right now. Charlie went out a little bit deeper, too.
Yeah, I was thinking that myself. It sounded like a good idea.
He moved his on out to see. Pulled my cork up, went a little bit deeper, see if they're out there a little bit. We shall see. Had some fish messing with this bobber here, guys and folks, and it's sort of not It's just sort of cut off. Ain't really biting like they was. Just a little few bites here or there. They're really tearing up the top water. Give it a little bit, see what happens. We'll cast it back out there a little bit. Okay. Got him. That doubled your rod.
Yeah.
That was a big fish, man. That doubled your rod. He feel heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he doubled your rod. I seen that.
I thought I had him too.
I did too. I mean, it doubled your rod, whatever that was.
We'll go back and see if it wants to do it again.
Yeah. Done with some dirt for him. There you go. Charlie snagged that one, didn't he?
Yeah, good.
Good job, brother. Got him one. Zoom in over there on it there a little bit. Sorry about this squeaky thing. There you go. That one jerked it. Good job, Charlie. The butterfly come seen you too.
Yay.
Good job. Got another one down there. He wanted that.
Yeah, he did.
Alright, so I throw it out here. Got some crickets. Crickets on here this time. See what happens. Some crickets and worms together. Bringing in a bunch of topsoil. Missed another one here. I'm paying attention. Had me underwater. Bobber was under. A bit more to the right where it wants it. Alright, Charlie got me another one over there.
Got him on the circle hook.
Oh, circle hook. Very good, ain't they, buddy? It ain't hit out there. Something bumped it. We'll just go along there. So Charles got a couple. He's got a fish on right now. Come off. Charles got him another one over there. Good job, buddy.
Thanks. Got a little play to him.
Nice.
Thanks, buddy.
There we go. Yes, sir. We got him. We got him. Yeah. There we go. Little one there. All right. I seen it pulling. Good job, man. Over there. I got him too. Need some help? Are you okay?
I'm good.
Got him too over there, y'all. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I ain't get a chance to get the other one in.
Good job, man.
Thanks.
Good job.
I had to drop.
Still messing with it there. Probably cleaned it, didn't he?
Yeah, probably. They might think it's golden corral over there.
Did it clean your bait?
Yeah. Yeah, he tipped me.
There's a fish. Got him another fish over there. Yes, sir. Good job, buddy.
Thanks.
Zooming in there for you. Yeah. Seen you, little brim. I seen you messing, and I got you.
Yay.
Them circle hooks make it so easy to take out too, you know. There you go. Charlie got him one too. Good job, buddy. Let me show y'all his.
Well, he's got attitude.
He's mad at you. He said, man, I've been taking your bait for a while, now you catch me. Good job. All right. We catch you.
That was a good sized ram, but that ain't one of them we've been in from over.
Yeah. We caught no one in that same spot over there. There we go. All right.
Of him on the circle hook.
Yeah. They catch them, don't they, brother?
He's mad at me.
Right, no one, y'all. All right, Charlie got him another one, guys. I seen you. I seen you. There we go. There you go, guys. Alright, guys, so yeah, we still catching these fish. Still catching brim, the worms, and the crickets. Still out here doing it.
Worm in the crickets, worm in the crickets, worms in the crickets, what are you gonna do?
Get there, I see you. Oh yeah. Little one, but it works. Little brim. There we go. So I always got it one over there.
Yeah, I get fit. What bigger than this one was, I get fit my head, that one and I. Oh, okay.
Yep, guys. Well, we've had a good day today, that's for sure. Caught a lot of fish. Caught a lot of fish, and I made my last cast out there, and I'm done. Charlie's making his, and see what happens on this now. That's what we're watching. We're gonna look out here at this bobber here, court, whatever you want to call it. We're from the south, so we call it court.
Alright, this is my last catch, folks.
All right, we're gonna cast it out.
Our last catch for the day.
All right, we're gonna zoom in and just watch this court. See what happens. There it goes. There it goes.
Yeah, he ran with it, and I set and hooked, but apparently not good enough.
Still got your cricket.
Yeah.
Try it again.
Alright, I thought that was my last cast.
It's okay. One more cast, brother.
One more cast.
Come on, give it to him. Give him that fish out there. Let him have that fish. Take us on home. If I can find it. There it is. That old motor over, it's like a boat on the water, don't it?
Yeah.
Hitting waves.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, we appreciate you so much here at My Carolina Outdoors. We did catch some fish today with the rig just to show you doing. I've got the two hook rig here and here. It'd be the same as using a split shot. If you put your split shot here and had your bait at the bottom, or vice versa, you wait at the bottom, and had your hook up here. So have two, like you fish at the beach coast, then to have a bobber. Simple setup. Fishing right here on the bank, under a shade tree. A lot of, with all these trees and stuff up here, it's constantly pushing bugs out there in the water, so they're everywhere on me too. But yeah, we appreciate you here at My Carolina Outdoors. We thank you so much, and we appreciate y'all. Remember, we're on all socials. Also, we will have that merch up on YouTube as well. Thank you so much. Thank you to Charlie as usual, and we will catch you guys on the next. I had an ant just bite my toe. Sorry. We'll catch you guys on the next episode. Bye.